In response to COVID-19, we developed a preliminary framework to help ensure all students receive high-quality instruction in the fall. Above all else, this framework prioritizes the health and wellness of our students and staff. This framework was informed by surveying CPS students, families, and staff, conducting parent focus groups, and engaging over 100 district and school leaders in Chicago and across the country. Aligned to public health guidance and our 5-year vision, the framework balances the need to both ensure high-quality instruction and provide a safe and healthy learning environment. We will make a final decision on reopening classrooms in late August, when we will have a greater certainty about the public health environment. In the meantime, we are planning for the return of students, and in order to do that safely, schools will look very different. In line with guidance from the Illinois State Board of Education, this framework would provide in-school instruction in a safe and responsible manner. Our framework involves both learning at school and learning at home, and it can quickly adapt to evolving public health needs. If in-school instruction is not possible, either due to elevated COVID-19 cases in the area or because of confirmed cases at a specific school, we will be able to transition our reopening plan to fully support home-based learning. While it is impossible to fully eliminate health risks in public settings, a variety of new health and safety protocols will be mandated to keep our community as safe as possible. Each day, students and staff will have their temperatures checked and be asked to sanitize their hands when entering school. Everyone will wear face coverings, which will be provided by the district. Every classroom will be provided hand sanitizer, and students will notice new hand sanitizer stations placed around the building and pause for frequent breaks to wash their hands. Custodians will clean surfaces throughout the day, and approximately 400 more will be hired to support schools. Most noticeably, the majority of students will not attend school every day. Based on the guidance from public health experts, most students will split their time between learning at home and learning at school. This will allow students and staff to meet proper social distancing guidelines while also allowing valuable in-person instruction time to occur. Students will be assigned to pods of approximately 15 students and, along with a designated group of teachers, will stay together for the entire school year. Grouping students into pods reduces potential viral transmission, allows the district to conduct rapid contact tracing, and reduces the potential learning disruptions for the school community if a case of COVID-19 is identified. We're also differentiating the amount of in-person instruction based on the age and developmental learning needs of particular student populations. For example, while K-10 students will learn at home and at school, we're recommending most high school juniors and seniors learn at home full-time and pre-K students learn at school for the entire year. Opportunities for additional in-person instruction will be prioritized for diverse learners, English learners, students in CTE programs who need access to specific resources, and high school juniors and seniors who need additional academic and social and emotional support. The school week will also be quite different. In our proposed hybrid schedule, a regular class will be separated into 2 pods of approximately 15 students. Pod A will learn at school on Mondays and Tuesdays, engage in live video instruction with their teacher from home on Wednesdays, and learn independently at home on Thursdays and Fridays. Pod B will learn independently at home on Mondays and Tuesdays, engage in live video instruction from home on Wednesdays, and learn at school on Thursdays and Fridays. And if families are not ready to bring their children back for in-person instruction, any family can choose to participate in full-time learning from home. The changes needed to reopen schools are significant, and we need to hear from our families and educators. To best serve our community, we want to hear your feedback about our school reopening framework before we release formal guidance later this summer. We'll be hosting a series of virtual meetings to discuss our plans to reopen, and we hope you'll be able to join us. We are committed to ensuring all students have access to high-quality instruction in a school environment that prioritizes the health and wellness of our students and staff. Learn more about our preliminary framework, complete the survey, and more at cps.edu/reopening2020.